Introducing the MTM-100-1000 Torque Tester Universal, a versatile and high-performing tool designed to meet the demands of your torque testing applications. This advanced torque tester from AIMCO URYU combines precision engineering with user-friendly features, making it an indispensable asset in various industries. With a broad range of features, the AUET/MTM-100-1000 Torque Tester Universal ensures versatility and efficiency in your quality control processes. Equipped with an adjustable auto-clear function, this torque tester allows you to customize the clearance time, enhancing productivity and streamlining your testing workflow. The tester offers 3 distinct modes: peak, first peak, and track, providing flexibility to capture different torque values based on your specific testing needs. The inclusion of a repeatable joint simulator enables accurate and consistent testing, ensuring reliable and repeatable results. With 8 available scales, the AUET/MTM-100-1000 Torque Tester Universal allows you to select the appropriate engineering units for your measurements, accommodating various industry standards and preferences. Elevate your torque testing capabilities with the AUET/MTM-100-1000 Torque Tester Universal. Its comprehensive range of features, exceptional accuracy, and user-friendly design make it an invaluable tool for quality control professionals across various industries. Invest in this advanced torque tester and experience precise and reliable testing like never before.